everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a painting of a cherry blossom tree. Here are the things that you'll need. A piece of paper. I'm using a large 12 by 14 paper. A paintbrush. Paint. I'm using white, brown, and red paint today. A paper plate. And a soda bottle with ridges on the bottom. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to be mixing our paint to create the color pink. Place your white paint on a paper plate followed by red paint. Make sure to only add a little bit of red for the perfect pink. Now mix together. Make sure you are mixing your paint thoroughly to create a solid color. Ta-da! You have now created the perfect pink. Next, take your brown paint and place it on a separate paper plate. We are going to use this brown paint to create the stem of the cherry blossom tree. Once you have created the stem to your liking, start adding tree branches throughout it to make it more realistic. You have now created the foundation for your cherry blossom tree. Now, taking the pink paint we created earlier, we are going to dip the bottom of the bottle into the paint, like so. Now take the bottle and gently push it on the paper. Now you have created the perfect flower. Repeat this process until you have filled the entire tree. Ta-da! You have created a beautiful cherry blossom tree. Now it's time to display your masterpiece. Thanks for watching!